Hi, I'm Ramona Singer from the Real Housewives of New York City. Welcome to my New York City apartment. 2,500 square feet, open views, tons of sun, tons of closets, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's fantastic. I have a lot to show you, so let's get started. It's important in your entranceway to create a wow feeling, so I did a recessed wall with arch molding, and I had fabulous light fixtures, definitely a wow factor. The entranceway is to entice you to come into the apartment, so come on in. This is what you'd call an open great room. The space is tremendous. You have the dining area, living area, and a lounge area. And this is just a great place to entertain. It has so much light. We have east and west exposures. And look at the floors, 5-inch gray wood, which is so chic right now. But the best part is it can be sanded down 5 times. You can change the color 5 times if you want to. This is the living area, which is a wonderful place to hang out. As far as the decor, I really thought long and hard about what I wanted to do. I definitely wanted modern, but I wanted warmth. So first of all, you have this table, which I like because it's a little higher than most, so you can actually have food here, dine here. I wanted texture. So you have the linen gray texture here, you have the texture of the lamb shearling pillows, you have the texture of the skins on the floor, and the pony side pieces, and the velvet side chairs. So it has a warmth to it that's very, very embracing. I designed everything in this apartment, and one of my favorite places is right here in this kitchen. I loved the way I opened it up. It was such a game changer. The floors are great. Here we have this ceramic gray stone. Tons of cabinet space. I mean, this whole apartment has so much cabinet space and storage space. I really love entertaining. Sometimes I do a Sunday brunch. I make this really huge frittata, and of course the mimosas, and some salmon and bagels. It's great, and I just set it all up here, and even on here, and people sit there, and it's just, we all interact together. It's fabulous. This is the dining area. I chose the white table because I wanted it to pop clean and not do a dark wood. I have this gorgeous mirror, again texture, stingray around it. And this is great because you can sit 6 comfortably, or I can add 4 more chairs from the breakfast area to have seating for 10. But very often I want more casual lifestyle. I'll set this up as a buffet, and then people will sit wherever they want. And let's talk about the views. I mean, look at what you're looking at. This is fantastic. Wrap around windows. This is the master bedroom, and not only do you get 1, but you get 2 large windows. And nothing is better than waking up and seeing the sky and clouds in front of you. Lots of closet space, which is unheard of in Manhattan. I love this light fixture. Also a little seating area, which is nice. So if you want to sit and have some morning coffee or a drink in the evening. Do you know how hard it is to find a 9-drawer dresser? So guess what? When I redid this bedroom, I actually kept the dresser and the nightstands, adding the brushed silver knobs. Thanks for joining me on my tour. I really love living here. Now you too can live like a real housewife.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?